You want to jump rope? You want to jump rope, Reggie? Reggie, you want to jump rope? You want to jump rope, Reggie? You want to jump rope? Yep. He does. He does want to jump rope. Ready? Jump rope. Yay! Want to fly? Want to fly? All I can see is my fat body and this bird. Hello? Hello? I am Reggie the bird. How are you doing? How are you doing today? I am Reggie the bird. Tweet tweet. Burp burp. Hello? Hello, I'm Reggie the bird. Hey, what's going on? Hey, I'm Roy. I'm gay. I work out. Yeah, I just kind of work out sometimes. Usually just kind of chill. Sometimes I fuck guys. I'm just Roy. I'm just kind of hanging. Just kind of trying to be one of the guys, just, fucking bitches. Fucking bitches all the time, I'm always fucking bitches. Them fucking parakeet bitches? Fucking hot. Fucking always hot. There's some fine-ass parakeet bitches out there, man. Fucking fine-ass parakeet bitches. Telling you what, you wouldn't even believe it. You wouldn't believe it. But it's out there. It's all over the place. It's everywhere. Big bird booty. Yeah. I've been talking all over. Don't be thinking I'm talking all that shit. I ain't talking all that shit. I ain't talking no shit at all. I'm Reggie the bird. I be getting the bitches. Oh shit, that's my bitch now. I better be getting back. Sorry. Later, bitches. Wow.